Dad's Iowa Train Videos here in Cedar Falls, Iowa at the Cedar Falls Junction, westbound CN, L571. Eastbound Iowa Northern waiting for this westbound CN to clear here at the junction. Yeah, just above the Cedar River here. Pretty nice day for December 3rd, about 55 degrees, pretty mild. In Ackley and Iowa Falls today. Out good because 571 is kind of early. Usually he's around 3:30, 4 o'clock or so, and it's only about 1:30 or 2 o'clock-ish. Then this Iowa Northern waiting to go, so the Iowa Northern should be leaving shortly after this westbound CN clears the junction. Yeah, we got that Iowa Northern sitting right here, so he should get the light shortly. Yeah, that Iowa Northern, he just got the go-ahead here. Boy, that switch sure did flick quick after that CN cleared. That westbound CN cleared the switch, and I'll bet it wasn't 10 seconds that that switch flipped for the Iowa Northern. Yep, so this Iowa Northern line here diverges north off of this CN line, the Waterloo sub. It's an old Rock Island line. Yep, so Cedar Falls Junction, this is about the best action you're gonna get. You got one train right after another. Well, hopefully this Iowa Northern's got some nice surprises today. You never know. They're usually loaded going southbound and then eastbound. this is a pretty spot to video from too. We got the Cedar River here in the background. Not much for leaves left on the trees. It's pretty much all gone. Yeah, this Iowa Northern line where it diverges here off of the CN, it heads downhill pretty quick right here. The one line's quite a bit lower than the other line when you get west of here just a little bit. Of CP cars on here, Canadian Pacific. Sounds like the Canadian Pacific just took over the Kansas City Southern, so they're gonna call it the CPKS, it sounds like. So no more Kansas City Southern as we know it. So I'll probably start seeing some more Kansas City Southern power and rail cars around here, I imagine. Yeah, they must have had a ladder when they did this one. They got up there a ways. Coupler open hopper car. Got some Sioux line covered hoppers there. And they got some Iowa Northern hoppers to in or out here, it looks like. Oh. Yeah, if I'm gonna get lucky, it looks like I get one C&W car out of the bunch. Right there. Oldie but a goodie. Not too many of them left. Yep, so we had a train meet here, the westbound CN and an eastbound Iowa Northern at the Cedar Falls Junction. Red's Iowa train videos. And westbound UP in Montour, Iowa. Pretty windy, so I'm trying to stay as stable as I can. That wind blowing me all over the place. This might be that priority train he's talking about. Yeah, taking the crossover too, sweet. Yeah, I'll bet this is a priority train. He got a lot of power on there. I heard the dispatch say a priority train is in the Montour area, so this has got to be it. And he's moving. Flying through the crossover. Some old Tier 0 locomotives on there, I'm sure. Tier nothing. Yeah, the lower the tier, the dirtier they are. I work on big truck diesels, so I know how the tiers go and how smoky they are. Yeah, westbound UP priority train takes the crossover. Yeah, track 2 to track 1 on the crossover. Moving right along. Red's Iowa train videos.